Hi there. Today I'll be showing you how to easily create a README file by using my Professional README Generator. To initialize the app, we need to open the integrated terminal and enter node index. Once we've entered that, this will start the series of prompts that we will answer to create our README file. So the first question here is asking for the title of our project. We're just going to call this a README generator. Next, it's asking us to provide a description of what our project is. So I'm just going to enter the description here. Next, it's asking us to provide the steps required to install the project. There we go. And then it asks us to provide usage information for the project. So this is used to generate a README file. Next, it asks us to enter in the name of a screenshot that we took. And if we took it, we will have saved it in the images folder inside the assets folder. This screenshot was named screenshot. Then it asks us for our license. We're just going to use MIT for this one. And then it's going to ask who all contributed to the app or to the project. I'm just going to enter my name here. It then asks what is the GitHub username. So again, I'm just going to enter my GitHub username. And then the email address. So again, I'll just enter my email address. Once we enter this, you'll see over here on the left that our README file has been generated. If we click on it here, you can see that it contains the information that was taken from our answers. So at the top we have the title, README Generator. Underneath that, it's going to print a badge just saying what license it is, and here it's going to have MIT. Next, we have the description that we entered, and then we have a table of content that links us to the other parts of the README. So the first one here is the installation steps that we entered. Then it has the usage information, and this is where we include our screenshot of the project. Then ask for our contributors and the license. And here in the license, we have a link that takes you to more information about that particular license. And again, you can see that it's taken in the MIT answer here. And then at the end, it's a contact area for any information or comments or questions. And down there we provide my email address that I entered and my GitHub username with a link to my profile. So over here I have an example of what that looks like as I pull it up. You can see here it's the same thing. We have our README generator, we have our license with the MIT, we have the description there that we entered, and then our table of contents. We then have the installation steps, and then onto the usage steps, including our screenshot here that I took just of the code. And then it has the contributors, the license. Here's our link to more information about the license. It just goes to the open source. And then finally at the end, for any questions or comments about this project, I have my email address. And to see more of my projects, people can follow me on my GitHub profile. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.